Hello everyone, I'm back with one new filler of the Keherwa Taal. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 E, and A. 1 and E and 3 and E and 1 E and A. 1. Let's break it down now. We will divide this filler in two parts. First part is 1 E, and. We will play the bass of our Congo two times like this, 1 E, and then we will strike the high tom and mid tom together on 1 E, and after this we will strike the high tom on E and then bass on and 1 E, and one more time, 1 E, and. Second part is 3 and a E. We will strike the high tom and mid tom together on 3, and then we will strike the bass two times and a, 3 and a, and then again we will strike the high tom and mid tom together on E, and after this a on the high tom, 3 and a, E. One more time, 3 and a, E. Now let's combine the first and second part together, 1 E and 3 and a, E. One more time, 1 E and 3 and a, E. We can also use this as the pickup. Now let's try this with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 E and 3 and a, 1 and a, E and a, 1 and a, E and a, 1 and a, E and a, 1 E and 3 and a, 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this filler on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.